So I was very excited to give the keynote at Container World, and one of the main takeaways that I'd like everyone in attendance to know and think about are really the three main use cases for containers. The first is, of course, cloud native, net new projects. The second use case is around taking your existing applications and repackaging as containers and running them in the cloud and extending with new capabilities. And then the third one is really enabling a hybrid environment, being able to take those packages, that workload, that containerized app, running it on-prem, in IBM Cloud, or in any other cloud consistently. So definitely when we're out in the community and blogs and podcasts and events such as this, we do talk about both of those use cases of cloud native and lift and modernize. So cloud native, it's great if you have a new project and you think about developing an architecture with a real microservices manner. So cloud native being API accessible, highly scalable, dynamic applications. The other project and the other aspect of this is around the lift and modernize. So you've invested a lot in your existing applications. How do I take those, how do I modernize, how do I package those up as a container, run them in the cloud, and extend those capabilities without having to completely refactor those, and really without touching the code at all, but still leveraging new cloud services and capabilities. There's definitely an intersection that if you are deploying and using containers and microservices, you absolutely need an automated CI/CD pipeline to be able to deploy those workloads. In IBM Cloud, we have something called Open Tool Chain, which you can deploy and orchestrate your workloads. But what's great about IBM Cloud is that you can bring any tools that you're already using, whether it's one of our partners like CodeFresh or CodeShip or Jenkins or any other CI/CD tools, you can do that and use that consistently in IBM Cloud. We're also very excited about Istio. It's an open source project that we announced with Google and Lyft back in April of 2017. And what Istio does is gives you some tooling to help with the complexity of your microservices architecture. So it's giving you insight to, where are things slowing down, where are the latencies, how do I do intelligent routing when I roll out my new versions. So there's a lot of buzz in the ecosystem right now around Istio and a microservices mesh and how it can help you. And we're going to bring that to IBM Cloud, so it's there when you're developing your microservices architecture. Istio is there to help you as well. Containers and serverless, I think, are actually complementary technologies. There is some debate that it's one versus the other, but I would disagree and characterize that serverless is a great technology. It's really cloud functions, but to be able to do that and run a function as a service based on some trigger, it's a very short-lived workload, some batch process, whereas your containers are your longer living type applications, and containers and serverless or function as a service really run hand in hand together.